Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com, and here are my forecasts for the week starting 24th of August until the 28th of August 2020. First, let's go and have a look what happened last week. Here is the AUD USD pair, and last week I gave you the two targets. The target one was at 0.7237 and the target 2 was at 0.7293 and the bounce back was at 0.7109. So when the week started, the market started going up, and then we achieved our target 1, and if you check it from the entry, that is when the market opened. So if you would have gone long at that time, you would have made 73 pips, 73 and a half pips. And then unfortunately it didn't reach our target 2. It went to as far as 0.7274, 7276, which was about 17 pips short of a target, and then the market started coming down, and then it bounced back up and then came back again down, and then it's going back up again. Now let's have a look at the Euro USD. The Euro USD, I gave you two targets. Target 1 at 1.1896 and target 2 at 1.1988. We achieved our target 1 at 1.1898, but unfortunately it went shy. It didn't go to the target 2. It was shy about 22 pips. So had you entered the market at the open of the market, you would have got 75, 66, 69 pips on this. Now let's go to the third one, the GBP USD pair. The GBP USD pair, I gave you two targets. Target 1 at 1.3142 and target 2 at 1.3205. So we achieved both of the targets, target 1 here and target 2 here. Okay, and then the market came back down, went back up again, and then started coming back down. Now let's go to the next pair, which is the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So I gave you two targets. Unfortunately, none of the targets were hit, and this was our bounce back. It did go up to this level and bounce back, but the market was very slow, the New Zealand dollar market, so none of the target was hit. Let's go to the next one, which is the USD JPY. Here I gave you two targets, target 1 and target 2, and the bounce back, but unfortunately target 1, it was not hit. It was just went shy about 10 pips, 11 pips. So we did not achieve our targets on the USD JPY. Let's go to the next one, which is the USD CAD. So in USD CAD, target 1 was hit, and target 2, it didn't go as far as our target 2, and it didn't even go to our bounce back, so it was ranging. Market was in a range, but we got our target 1. Next one is the USD Swiss franc. Here I gave you two targets. Target 1 was hit at 0.9022. It didn't go as far as the target 2, and this was the bounce back. It did touch the bounce back and went down. So this was about last week. Let's go to the present week. Here are the prediction for the next week. On the AUD USD, we will go long with our take profit target 1 at 0.7216 and the target 2 at 0.7276, and we have the bounce back at 0.7109. That means if the market comes here and hits the bounce back line and starts going back up, that's the time you can go long and then aim for target 1 and target 2, so which is going to be 107 pips and 166 pips. And the next pair we look into is the Euro USD. Again, we are going to go long with the take profit level 1 at 1.1884 and the target 2 at 1.1967 with the bounce back at 1.1713. Then we go to GBP USD pair. In this pair again we are going to go long and we're looking for target 1 at 1.3142 and the target 2 at 1.3267 with the bounce back at 1.3005. Then we go to the New Zealand dollar US dollar pair and we're going to go short. We're going to go short with target 1 at 0.6487, target 2 at 0.6409 and the bounce back at 0.6713. And then we're going to go short again on the USD JPY pair with the target 1 at 105.09 and the target 2 at 104.17. So this is very easy to achieve these targets, and the bounce back is going to be at 108.19. The next pair is the USD Canadian dollar. Same thing, the is quite close. The targets, the target 1 at 1.3131, target 2 at 1.3051 and the bounce back at 1.3344. Last but not the least, we will go to the USD Swiss franc pair and we're going to go short on it, and our target one is going to be at 0.9009 and target to 0.8863 with the bounce back at 0.9469. So these are the 7 trades that are the 7 major pairs, and as soon as the markets open, place your orders and with the level 1 and level 2, and once you achieve your level 1, once you achieve your target 1, bring the stop loss to break even and look for the target 2. So wish you all the best and see you next week. Thank you and bye-bye.